All right, people. Ham's flight, Ham's loft.
17 hen.
Still, these are my baskets. I'm not allowed to touch my birds. It says a fine, so I'm gonna hang out over here and video them.
79,
Hey,
32.
don't be squeezing these birds. They need they need all the oxygen they can get.
That's a hen. 7147.
So these are
7146 hen.
my birds. Gotta watch them, make sure they ain't squeezing my pigeons.
7928 copper.
And this is my A birds. Two
92
silvers.
copper. $71.10 hen.
All right, little pancake over there, y'all.
$71.49 hen.
Getting in his big red GOP truck.
68, 98 copper. 68, 84 hen. 7127 copper. 6853 copper.
All right, this is B race.
7105 hen.
I got 20 birds in the B race.
That one won't go.
Y'all done stole my race band?
05 copper.
Yeah. All right. All right, y'all. That was it for my birds. It's a cock in it.
That's a copper.
All right, y'all. Comment, subscribe. That's my B race. This is my birds. All right. Comment, subscribe. Do what you want. Peace.